I'll guide you through how to log out of Facebook across all your devices without needing to remember where you last signed in. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Let's start with your current device. On the iPhone or Android mobile app, tap your menu icon or profile picture in the right corner. This accesses the main navigational menu. Scroll to the very bottom, then tap Log Out. This completes the standard sign-out process on your primary device. On the desktop web version, click your profile picture in the top right. This opens the Quick Settings dropdown. Click Log Out at the bottom of the menu to sign you out of the web browser. Now let's see how to log out from remote devices. On the iPhone or Android mobile app, tap the menu icon in the right corner. Tap the Settings gear icon to access the Settings and Privacy page. Tap Account Center at the top to move you to the Cross-Platform Management Hub. Tap Password and Security. Under Security Checks, tap Where you're logged in to display all active sessions across your Meta accounts. If you have multiple accounts, select the relevant one. Review the list of active devices. You may identify old phones, public computers, or unknown access points where your Facebook account is logged in. Tap Select Devices to log out. Select all unwanted devices, then tap Log Out. This successfully ends specific remote sessions. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more Facebook video tutorials and check the description below for advanced security tips. Thanks for watching.